Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again. This is Johnny. My YouTube channel name is Tactical 820. Today I'm gonna unbox a newly bought. They just like deliver. It has just been delivered to my home like in about 15 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna do a review of unboxing a UH-1RC helicopter. Trust me, I bought about 4 different type of helicopter. I crashed 3, and I'm waiting for the part to come in so I can replace those broken part. But however, this is a very unique helicopter, and it does have GPS stabilizer, so you can fly even though you are a beginner like me. Then we are able to fly the helicopter. Okay, so I bought this from HELIDIRECT, and the price is very reasonable. And this is the version 4. Okay, now that I'm watching on the YouTube channel, I see only and online I see only there's a version 3, but however this is version 4. So one of the fellow veteran, his name is David Lee, he worked for HELIDIRECT. He called me up and he just want to verify it is that what I ordered. Then after that, I asked him, I said hey, can you tell me what is the difference version 3 and version 4, between version 3 and 4. Then he told me the scale, and also on top of the helicopter, on the rotor, it had a fly bar or something. I'm not familiar with it, but however he told me that. But David Lee was able to process the the order for me, and he shipped it to me it take about a week for me to receive it. So I'm very happy with the expert their customer service and expedite process. So look at how solid is the helicopter. I mean, how solid that piece is. Let me see how it look like. What is that? Come inside here. Okay, come in there. Okay, let me see. Beautiful control. It has auto marking. So it had stop, run, normal configure. So everything self-explained right here. So 3D GPS home. So probably I'm gonna fly it with the GPS. Okay. And okay, let's talk about remote control. Look at, they even have a toolkit. Of course, cable, wire for the charger. Okay, look at this, the charger right here. Yep, this is charger. Fly wing charger. Okay. What is this? I don't know. Oh, this is the part. Okay, this is the part. Basically, probably. Okay. So, oh, this is the battery. 3,000 more. So maybe it's gonna fly around in between about 18 minutes. Oh, the rotor, the blades. Rotor blades. Okay, in the pack. see. But where is my helicopter? Where is my helicopter? Oh, it's right here. Okay. What is that? Oh, look like the bike is something for too. But I believe this is already bike. Let me see that my helicopter. This is the one that I'm talking about. Okay. This is my helicopter. Very lightweight. Okay. Oh, okay, so okay. This is how it looked like. So this way you're gonna put the battery in. Okay, this is how it looks like. This time I have to be careful with it. Have to be slow, and yep, look at. This is my helicopter gonna be. How beautiful this thing is. It looked like a scale model, but it you know, it just give you a simple, basic, like, you know, like frame of the helicopter, but it doesn't give you a lot of detail. Okay, it doesn't give you a lot of detail like antenna, lights, you know, the strobe light on top of the helicopter, on the side, green and red. You know, I wish that fly wings, you know, in the future, you guys have to, you know, like install some lighting system. Okay, so that's how make it, you know, like the helicopter look like real. Look at, like, you know, like the other company that make the F-09, they are able to, you know, install lights. So you need to install some light for us, please. You know, that is the only thing that I'm gonna request. Then this is the blade right here. All right. Okay. Oh, look like it make it by fiber carbon. Yep, fiber carbon. So if you see, according to what instruction that? Come, I don't see no instruction manual. No instruction manual. Oh, instruction manual right here. That's why I said, like, where the instruction at? UH-1 scale helicopter. Why are you calling it scale helicopter? It doesn't give. I mean, it gives you a basic scale. I wish lighting system is, you know, missing. That one thing. You know, if I want to fly helicopter, I want to have some lighting system. Make it like, you know, like flashing, like, you know, it more. And no windshield wiper. At least, like, you know, have to make some windshield wiper and glue it on top right here, or build right here, you know. So, and on top right here, I know they have a little antenna sticking out right here. They need to build it, like, you know. But overall, I'm very happy with it. But however, like, you know, like, if from 1 to 5, and the money I paid for, is it worth it? It's okay. You know, it's okay. Not worth. I wish, like, you know, like I said, like lighting system, windshield wiper, and at least have a. And I don't understand why they have an extra. The UH-1Huey doesn't have an extra bar like this for over here. You know, then why are they painting, like, you know, like white? They should have painted black or dark green or something. But that's my, like, 2 cent, you know, like picky thing. But the lighting system is a must. I believe so. But anyway, talking about the blade, you see one side is black, the other side is gray. Then the other side gray, they said a fly wing. Okay, it had fly wing right there. So it is, yeah, the way you supposed to be installed, like that. Okay, that's how you gonna install like that. So let's see. They give you a tour with a bunch of Allen wrench. So show me which. Let me see. This is a tour, a bunch of Allen wrench. Yeah, thank you for like, you know, like shipping us with a tour, you know, so we can. Yeah. So if you install the plate, it said flying wing right here. Okay. Yep. Now. Last time I was so excited, and you know, I didn't install the proper. So basically, like, you know, like, but you don't want to over tie this, as long as you could move around. Okay. Let me install this thing first, then we are flying wing other side. Yep. Yep. Okay. That right here, like that. So this is right here. Probably that the one that the little tiny tool right here. So this one right here, probably on top of this one. Okay. So the instruction manual probably show you where you're supposed to install that thing. Come to get me right here, but there's no screw for it. Where are the screws for this? Yep. Where are the screws for this? And what about this on top here? So I believe that on top here there's some. Let me see what is that on top here. I think that it's supposed to be like this. I think on top it's supposed to be like that. Wow. Well, that's it. Like I am. But the thing is over here, like I don't see the screw around here. So is that the screw is? Here it is for the screw right here. I don't know. I gotta find out on this. I think I have to find out. But well, that's it for my. I am very, very happy with what I received. Then this extra tool right here, I have to basically technically read it and install it. Okay. And well, thank you for taking your time and watching my video. And again, this is my RC helicopter that I just bought it. And it's very, very light. I could hold by. Yeah. But you know what? If Flight Wings, please listen to me. Try to build a beacon light on top right here, like the real one. Then on the side both door, they have a red and right, and they have supposed to have some kind of antenna sticking out in the back and some light behind here. And try to make a little more antenna thick and a windshield wiper. And this would be a perfect one. Okay. Thank you, Flywing. Okay. And thank you, everyone. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you, and you have a nice day.